Today we will work on a road sign. The task is not difficult, but quite interesting. It will be useful for both experienced drivers and beginners. But be careful. Almost 90% of our viewers answer incorrectly in the comments. So, here is the task. What does this sign mean? Number 1. You can turn after a full stop. Number 2. You can only turn left on red. Number 3. You must wait for the green light to turn. Number 4. Turning is allowed unless pedestrians are present. Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. At the end of the video, you will find out whether you are right or not. I'll set the timer and give you 5 seconds to think it over. I hope you had a time to make a choice because we are moving on to a breakdown of this task. The no turn on red sign means you are not allowed to turn right at a red light under any condition. You must wait for a green light before making the turn. So, the correct answer is number 3. Congratulations if you have chosen it. I'm Bill, your driving instructor. Subscribe to my channel so that the police never stop you and issue a fine. Drive safely and take care.